Traders are set to catch the market reaction to that highly anticipated jobs report for August coming out today. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, the Chief Market Strategist for MarketGauge. Mish, what are your three keys to trading the market on this very exciting trading day?
Well, first of all, there's a lot of data that is actually even conflicting, because while the jobs market might be weakening as a result of some of the numbers we've seen, there are also aspects of the economy that are showing some slight improvement, like the ISM numbers were decent. So the big question really is not only what happens with the jobs report, but what happens, I think, very much with the long bonds. So the first thing, and I know I talk about it a lot, but it's really super important, is what happens with TLT, because it's going to give you a couple of bits of information that are essential. Number one is if the TLT rallies, then obviously the market is anticipating not only bigger cuts by the Fed and actual cuts by the Fed, but if it starts to outperform the SPY, that could be the key that people are talking about, that recession is coming. So that would be the first thing. If the TLTs actually just went once again up to major resistance and start to sell off, I actually think that could be a better sign overall, not necessarily for the entire economy, but we can see growth stocks start to pick up after their sell-off. So then the second thing would be, let's talk about growth stocks. We've had a major sell-off in all of the growth stocks up until we're really talking right now. But yet, is this just more of a rally because people are rushing back in, thinking that if the economy expands, that was where you go, and it's more habitual than fact? Well, that remains to be seen. We have to watch the SMH. I love looking at that. It's a sister semiconductor in my family. And right now, if 215 is your bottom line support, but it really needs to get back over 230, and we're kind of working our way there, then I would say maybe safe to jump back into the NVDA water. And the third thing is, though, regardless of what happens with growth, right now, we had a tremendous opportunity, it looked like, to see some of these inside sectors really get a break, a broader market rally, if you will, and that's all reversing right now. So this could go back to the bifurcated market, but you got to watch the small caps. IWM needs to hold around this 210 level. Otherwise, it breaks down under the 50, and the market could get even messier than it is right now.
We thank you, Mish, for your Trader Talk.
And happy 10-year anniversary again.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.